They weren't just companions, they were sacred, sacrificed, or loved. Cats, falcons, crocodiles. In ancient Egypt, animals were mummified, just like people. But why? And what do these animal mummies tell us about one of history's most fascinating civilizations? Join us as we dive into the mysterious world of Egypt's animal mummies. The ancient Egyptians didn't just mummify people. Animals were also embalmed and carefully prepared for eternity. This practice was deeply rooted in their beliefs and rituals. There were four main types of animal mummies. First, pets buried with their owners, a sign of a deep connection. Second, food mummies, animals included as provisions for the afterlife. Third, sacred animals like the apis bull or the ibis, considered embodiments of divine powers. And fourth, votive offerings, sacrificed animals as a sign of religious devotion to the gods. The mummification process was similar to that of humans, with some differences. Most often, the animals were opened and their internal organs removed to stop decay. These were often not preserved, with the exception of certain sacred animals whose organs were placed in canopic jars. Drying with natron took an average of 40 days, and for elaborate mummification, up to 70 days. Afterward, the bodies were rubbed with oils to keep their limbs flexible, and then artfully wrapped in linen bandages. What do these animal mummies tell us today? They offer deep insights into the environment and life of ancient Egypt. The animal world back then was much more diverse. Species like the sacred ibis or various birds of prey were common, but are rare today. The relationship between humans and animals also becomes clear, whether as companions, sacred beings, or offerings. The mummies show us what was sacred to the ancient Egyptians, what they ate, how they believed, and how they lived. Animal mummies are silent witnesses to a vanished world. They tell stories of spirituality, science, and nature, and invite us to discover ancient Egypt with new eyes.